In this recording, we will present how to manage promotions properly and product review functionalities in the Sylius platform. First, by clicking on the Promotions panel in the Marketing section on the left, you will be taken to a window that shows the current promotions running in your organization. Current promotions refer only to the shopping cart. You are able to read information about the priority, code, name, coupons, usage, and actions we can take against the promotion. For this recording, we will demonstrate how to create new promotions on the Sylius platform. Click on the green Create button in the top right corner. You will be redirected to a panel where you can create a new promotion. Now, add the promotion code and its name. For this video, we will create a Black Friday promotion. Next, complete the description field with the text of your choice saying about the promotion itself. The usage limit can be changed at will, although for this video, let's leave it as it is. Next, we will do the same with the priority field. As you can see, there are three options to choose from below: coupon-based, exclusive, and a channel to determine in which the promotion is to apply. By ticking the option coupon-based, the system checks for us the procedure of passing the rules and additionally checks the recalculation of the promotion. If the option coupon-based is checked, the promotion will be based on discount codes/coupons. The requirements of the promotion are always contained in configuration rules. After adding a promotion with this option checked, the button Manage Coupons appears, and there is another panel with the ability to add codes to the promotion. On the other hand, with the exclusive option, the promotion we are now creating will not be combined with the others. Finally, with the possibility of selecting a channel, we can dedicate a given promotion to a selected sales channel. We have indicated that this promotion will not merge with the others for this recording. Next, we will be required to enter the start and end date and time of the promotion. Given that it is Black Friday, we have decided to give a start date of 24th of November at 23:59 and an end date of 27th of November at 23:59. In the configuration field, you will find the option to add the applicable rules for the promotion in question and the action field, which we will go into shortly. Let's choose the type of rule. As you can see, various kinds of rules are available, and there is an option to expand them. We will stay with has at least one from Taxons for this recording. Choose the category to which the promotion should relate. T-shirt. As for the actions themselves, we will select an action type that says a percentage discount on a given order. Let's establish that 20% is a satisfactory amount. Depending on your requirements, we can also expand the action types with different types. Don't forget to press the green Create button, which creates a new promotion for your organization. As you can see, your newly made promotion is located over here. Sylius allows you to manage your coupons. Let's see what it offers while we click the Manage Coupons button on the Actions panel. Here you will see three available options. Let's focus on the first. In this panel, we have access to the promotion code, the usage limit per customer, how many coupons have been used, when the coupon expires, and actions. Let's move on to the Edit panel. For the video, let's change the usage limit of the coupon from 10 to 8, and the rest of the data will remain unchanged. As you can see, the change has been made successfully. We will now introduce you to the process of creating coupons. Click on the Create button in the top right corner. Enter the coupon code. For this video, this will be a winter sale. Enter the usage limit for the coupon and the usage limit for the coupon per customer. Set the date when the coupon expires and click the Create button. This part of the recording will present how to use the coupon when shopping on the website correctly. First, head to the Products tab and select the particular product you are editing. Then, show the given product on the store page. As a rule of thumb, the winter sale promotion will only be active if a minimum of 2 products appear in the shopping cart. So, first, change the quantity of the product from 1 to 2. Then, add the products to the shopping cart. Then, enter the promotional code, Winter Sale in the designated space and click the Apply Coupon button. As you can see, our coupon has been activated, and the cart has been discounted. This tutorial will focus on the product reviews feature natively attached to the Sylius platform. First, go to the Marketing section located on the bar on the left side of the dashboard and press the Product Reviews button. In the visible panel, the information that catches the eye right from the start is the date of registration of the relevant user, the title of the review, its rating, current status, the product to which the review relates, the user who left the opinion and the possibility of taking action on the submitted review. See what Sylius offers when we click the Edit option. Now you are at the Edition panel. You have access to the title, the comment section, the rating section, the product to which the review is attached, and the details of a customer who left his opinion. Going back to the main panel, where all the reviews are located, you can take action from this panel. For example, you can quickly delete the review. Click on the red button named Delete. You can also approve or reject a rating without leaving your account. In this part of the video, we'll show you how to add a product review to a specific product on the store page and manage that review from the Sylius admin panel. Go to the View Your Store tab in the upper left corner. Then, select the product you are interested in. Click the Add Your Review button. You will be taken to a panel where you can add your opinion on the selected product. Rate the product by selecting the number of stars. Then, add a title, complete the description and add an email. At the very end, click the Add button. To check the opinion from the admin level, return to the main panel dedicated to product reviews. As you can see, the newly created opinion has been added to the panel and is visible. Now you can accept a given review, reject it or delete it completely. We will accept the given opinion for this recording. By clicking on the Edit button, you will be redirected to the panel where you can manage the given review.